Whenever you're ready.
Hello, I'm Jonathan Merriman. Got something to show you all. So, the idea for this project was after playing some classic arcade games, I wanted to try to make something similar, such as Galaga. And for this project, I learned some stuff about sprite manipulation, which is simply the manipulation of the attributes of sprites. And an example of how I put this to use is moving sprites on the screen. We also learned about using classes and objects, and a class is like the blueprint for doing something such as creating a sprite or drawing text on the screen. We use classes to create reusable code for sprites, among other things,
What were some of the
and
classes that we created in our game?
such as a class for a player
Hmm.
sprite.
Yes.
And here are some examples of code, such as sprite manipulation to move a sprite, and the code for the class that we used for the player. And here's a screenshot of a demo of the gameplay and the project. And my favorite part about the project was getting code to work after debugging it.
Before
And
if,
so,
before you move on, would you like to do a demonstration live and show us the actual gameplay?
oh yeah, I could do that.
Yeah.
Like, we'll pretend I did that right there. Then some things I could do to improve my project though, if I were continue to work on it. I would add more types of sprites, more intuitive gameplay, and restructure the code to be less obfuscated so development on it is easier.
For sure.
And that is all.
Let's take a look at the demo and see how it runs. And we made a pretty difficult game.
Oh,
You have to
I
update your
died.
Zoom share window.
Oh, is it not showing the?
Yeah, might need to share
Oops.
your window.
Oh, let me try that again.
Hmm. There we go. I love the art style we went with. It's really very classic
Pixel art.
arcadey. Yeah, very classic arcade. It feels very nostalgic for me.
I
Oh,
died.
we did make a pretty difficult game in the end, didn't we? Awesome. Oh,
Ugh.
the strafing runs. The strafing runs get you.
It's mostly just the projectiles are tiny.
Yeah. Let's give it one more shot. See if you can survive a strafing run and get it. Oh,
Okay, there are certain spots you can stand where you can't get hit though.
finding the sweet spot, the speed running strats. There you
Yeah, tactics.
go. Awesome, awesome. Well, thank you very
And
much,
I see.
Jonathan, for the
Yep,
demonstration. This is awesome, and look forward to seeing what you can do with this.
yep. Thank you for all your help.
Absolutely.
I've gotta beat the game.
We'll mark that as the end of the demonstration, the presentation, I should say. Now we're just here out of spite of the game. So
So
close.
close. Okay. Either
Awesome,
way,
man.
bye.